the Honda Accord Hybrid. The most reliable Japanese sedan, with 50-plus MPG Japanese automakers, have long dominated the conversation around vehicle reliability and fuel efficiency, while brands like Toyota and Honda are synonymous with durability. Identifying the single model that best combines longevity with exceptional fuel economy requires looking beyond general brand reputation to specific data. According to analysis by IC Cars, the Honda Accord Hybrid emerges as the standout choice. It not only achieves a highway fuel economy of 51 mpg, but also boasts the highest reliability metrics among its peers, outlasting even the legendary Toyota Prius and Camry hybrids. Why hybrid reliability matters? There is a common misconception that hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, are mechanically complex and prone to failure due to their dual powertrains. In reality, many Japanese hybrids are engineered for simplicity and durability. The secret lies in the transmission systems used by industry leaders. Toyota's eCVT. Toyota utilizes a planetary gear set rather than a traditional continuously variable transmission, CVT. This system uses electric motors to manage power flow between the engine and wheels. It is robust, requires minimal maintenance, and frequently supports vehicles reaching high mileages with few issues. Honda's eCVT. Honda's system, particularly in its fourth-generation IMMD architecture, relies on a simple single-speed lockup clutch. For most driving, the car operates as an electric vehicle, with the engine acting primarily as a generator. When direct mechanical power is needed, such as at high speeds, the clutch engages the engine to the wheels. This design avoids the rubber band effect of traditional CVTs and offers seamless, efficient operation. While Toyota's newer performance-oriented hybrid systems, Hybrid Max and iForce Max, are still being evaluated for long-term reliability, and Mazda's complex parallel plug-in hybrids have faced software challenges. The established systems from Honda and Toyota remain the gold standard. The data, Accord Hybrid versus the competition. The IC Cars data provides a clear hierarchy of longevity among top Japanese hybrids. The Honda Accord Hybrid leads the pack in both average lifespan and the probability of reaching the 200,000-mile mark. Model average lifespan miles to failure chance of reaching 200K miles. Honda Accord Hybrid 13.6 years, 180,276 miles, 36.8%. Toyota Camry Hybrid 13.1 years, 171,924 miles, 31.8%. Toyota Prius 12.2 years, 168,965 miles, 28.9%. These figures indicate that the Accord Hybrid is statistically more likely to survive long-term ownership than its closest competitors. Furthermore, RepairPal data supports this, noting that annual repair costs for the Accord Hybrid average just $400, with low frequency and severity of repairs. Achieving 51 mpg on the highway fuel efficiency is a critical component of the Accord Hybrid's appeal. The model achieves an EPA estimated 51 mpg on the highway and 44 mpg in the city, resulting in a combined rating of 48 mpg. It is important to note that these optimal figures are tied to specific trim levels. The XL trim achieves this efficiency largely due to its smaller, more aerodynamic 17-inch wheels. In contrast, the Toyota Camry LE offers a combined 51 mpg, but lacks the Accord's longevity advantage. The Toyota Prius offers variants with over 50 mpg combined, but again, falls short in average lifespan compared to the Accord. When balancing pure fuel economy with long-term durability and low maintenance costs, the Accord Hybrid provides the superior value proposition. 2026 model year updates for prospective buyers. The 2026 Honda Accord continues to refine its offering with incremental updates focused on technology and aesthetics. Technology upgrades non-hybrid models. The base LX and SE trims now include a standard 9-inch color touchscreen, wireless charging, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Hybrid trims. The efficient XL Hybrid trim retains its value by including leather upholstery, heated and power-adjustable front seats, driver memory settings, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen. The top-tier touring trim adds premium features such as acoustic glass, ventilated seats, a Bose sound system, and a head-up display. Exterior styling: the 2026 Model C's subtle exterior tweaks aimed at modernizing the sedan's appearance. The non-hybrid SE now features 5-spoke 19-inch wheels previously reserved for hybrid sport trims. Hybrid Sport and Sportel variants receive additional gloss black accents, including black window trim and badges, enhancing their sporty profile. While the Accord's design has been criticized by some for being conventional compared to rivals like the Honda Civic, its functional updates and proven reliability keep it competitive in the midsize sedan segment. Conclusion: the Honda Accord Hybrid stands out as the most logical choice for buyers seeking a vehicle that balances exceptional fuel economy with proven long-term durability. By combining a simple, robust hybrid powertrain with superior longevity metrics compared to Toyota's top sellers, it offers a compelling case for low-cost, high-efficiency ownership.